Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to use voice input with ChatGPT. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first tap on ChatGPT, and then if you want to use voice input with ChatGPT, tap this icon and it's work right now. Hello ChatGPT, how's it going today?
Hi, it's going well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm great, thank you for asking. I'm just right now make a video teach people how to use voice input with ChatGPT. What do you want to say to the people who watch you right now on YouTube?
That's awesome. Well, to everyone watching, remember that using your voice with ChatGPT can make things feel a lot more natural. Feel free to ask questions, get creative, and explore new ideas. Voice input makes it easier to dive into conversations hands-free.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. And don't forget to tell him to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.
Of course. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you're finding the content helpful and fun. It really helps and keeps you updated on new videos. Happy creating!
Thank you so much. Goodbye, ChatGPT.
You're welcome. Take care and thanks for dropping by.
And that's it guys, how you can use voice input with the ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.